Re-intro. Don't. So guys, this is my re-intro. This kid doesn't come in it. Ow. Wait, listen.
Yeah, you fought.
Look at, see that buddy? Oh, that's a bunny.
Good
Goodbye.
shot, Stanky.
So I'm just like, you know how like all my videos, they're always like titled, "Oh, I'm bored," keeping you updated. Probably tomorrow I might be what's it called? Active. So this video is gonna be like, I'm bored, but I'm really not. So yeah.
And then what are you gonna do? Huh?
Hey, I was daydreaming. I was daydreaming. Yo.
Oh.
Oh. Start.
Stop. I'm going underneath where it is. Not lock here, here. No short here. And keep me over the little.
Anyway, guys, what just happened? Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I don't know what just happened. Once I get what happened, then I'll upload another video. I don't know. I just like fell asleep or something. So yeah, I'm gonna watch the video and upload it. Yeah.